Hello aspirants, welcome to map-based session of our YouTube channel Accomplish IAS. In this session, we discuss a weekly placed which has been news or map-based data. So today it is the sixth lecture and related to June July places in news. So in this session, we will discuss Asia and its country, Kolongcho hydroelectric project, Israel-Palestinian conflict, and Tanzania stone recently found 2 pieces by one miner, and Botswana and its physical future. Let's start. So recently there is a high tension is also increased between Asian's country and China. This was a headline, Asian state warn of South China Sea's tension. So here we discuss about the how many countries are in ASEAN. So this summit was chaired by Vietnam, which is holding the chairmanship of Asian country, and this ASEAN established in 1967 with the signing of Bangkok Declaration, and the member countries are Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam, Myanmar, Cambodia, Brunei, Laos. Total there are 10 countries, and headquarter is present in or situated at Jakarta, Indonesia. So, and main important point is its chairmanship, which is rotate annually based on alphabetic order of English. Okay, look at this figure. Okay, let's one more time discuss on the map. So this is our loving India. With respect to India, we have to go in east. Okay, and these are the Asian countries starting from Myanmar. Okay, capital is Naypyidaw, and Thailand, second country, Cambodia, Laos. Also look at its capital. Okay, Vietnam, Hanoi, its capital is Hanoi. Okay, these 5 countries. Malaysia, 6th, 7th Singapore, 8th Indonesia, okay, 9th Brunei, and 10th is Philippines. Okay, this part of map is very important from the UPSC point of view. Understand? Look at that also once again. Please, Myanmar, Hanoi, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam. There is also Gulf of Thailand. Okay, Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia. Philippines. Okay, let's back to our presentation. Okay, look, I attached this PDF. I attached this pic with the PDF to remind. Okay, don't learn this, just memorize the thing. Okay, these are the capital of the countries: Indonesia, Jakarta; Thailand country capital is Bangkok; Singapore; Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur; the Philippines, Manila; Vietnam, Hanoi; Myanmar, Naypyidaw. Okay, Cambodia, Phnom Penh; Brunei, Bangwan, Bandar Seri; Laos, Vietnam. There is a recently one agreement was held between India and Bhutan joint venture hydroelectricity project, which is on Kolongcho hydroelectric project. Okay, Kolongcho is a river which is only flow in Bhutan. It is not passing from the India. Okay, so this is so recently implementation. The project will be implemented by Kolongcho Hydro Energy Limited, a joint venture company formed between Druk Green Power Corporation of Bhutan and Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam of India. Okay, everyone know that Satluj is a river passing from the Punjab, and Bhutan is in east. Okay, so don't confuse. So into next question, next point, next discussion point. In 24, our Palestine faces an existential threat. This was the statement given by the United Secretary General Antonio. Okay, so which said that meeting of the United National Security Council is that the Israel-Palestinian conflict is at a watershed moment. So everyone know that Israel wanted to occupy all area of that region and claim all region of the Palestinian. So Israel planned to annex a part of the West Bank have alarmed the Palestinian, many Israelis and international community. Such annexion would be the most serious violation of international law. Look at that. I highlighted some important points which always in news. These are Tel Aviv, which was the capital, which was there. Now it is a capital by Jerusalem. Some countries claim and accepted that Jerusalem is the capital of Israel, like USA, and still India claim that Jerusalem is not a capital of Israel. Tel Aviv is the capital of India. Okay, Gaza City and Sinai Peninsula, Port Said, Suez Canal, Jordan, Syria. Okay, Syria is also touches boundary with the Israel from the north direction. Sea of Galilee. Look at that. Okay, the Golan Height. Okay, Dead Sea. Look at this one more type of satellite map. With respect to India, we have to go in west direction. Okay, look at that. Mediterranean Sea, Jerusalem visible, Tel Aviv, okay, Gaza Strip, and West Bank. This is portion is West Bank, which is present in east direction. Okay, okay. Rest of already I mentioned in PPT. Look at that. Okay. Once again, again we read this. Sea of Galilee. Okay, Jerusalem, Dead Sea. Jordan is the capital of. No, Jordan is another country. Okay, Sinai Peninsula, Gaza City, Tel Aviv. Next, move to the next topic. Oh, Tanzanite. Tanzanite is a stone recently found in Tanzanite by Tanzanite miners, and news was is that it become overnight millionaire. He found two stones of Tanzanite metal. So Tanzania stone. Tanzanite is the blue. Look at that. Look at its figure. It is totally blue. Okay. Tanzanite is the blue and violet varieties of mineral zeolite. Okay, and caused by small amount of vanadium. There is also one concept related to the diamond is total internal reflection, which is based on critical angle. Please note it on your rough work or notes. Total internal reflection, which is based on the critical angle, means once light enter in the diamond, it never come back or pass or come back or out from the diamond. Okay, it is important. I did not mention here, I know that, but some important points must be discussed in video session. Okay, Tanzania is the blue and violet variety of the mineral zeolite, calcium aluminum hydroxyl ferrosilicate. Okay, which is found in Tanzania. Let's discuss the Tanzania. Tanzania is a country. First, look at the map. This is Tanzania. Okay, Tanzania neighboring country are Uganda, Kenya, and also in western direction is the Indian Ocean, Mozambique, Malawi, Zambia, and Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo. Already we discussed a single thing, and Rwanda and Burundi is also. So these are the neighboring countries, and most important, recently just 2 or 3 years back, UPSC asked Lake Victoria sharing its boundary with how much countries? These and which countries? These are Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania. Okay, this is question is already discussed and also asked by UPSC. And the Western Rift Valley. Look at also in this portion, Western Rift Valley. This also touches boundary with the Tanzania. Okay, look at that. So these are the country, and this is also once more time in the news that its capital moved from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma. So now its capital is Dodoma because of some distance difficult for the average Tanzanian citizen to reach its capital. That's why they shift their capital. Okay, let's discuss on the maps satellite map. So this is our India. With respect to India, we have to go in Africa continent in west direction, and here we find Tanzania. Already we discussed Uganda, Kenya, Indonesia, sorry, India Ocean, and Malawi also share its boundary, and Mozambique. Okay, so this is our Tanzania. This is DRC, and this is Rwanda and Burundi. Okay, and this is Zambia. This portion is Zambia, and this is Western Rift Valley. Okay, it is important right now you from the UPSC point of view because already Lake Victoria has asked by UPSC, and another topic will be a Western Rift Valley. Okay, which is shared by the Rwanda, Burundi, DRC, and Tanzania. Okay. Let's back to the topic. Recently, disheartened news come from the South Africa. One's country is Botswana, in which more than 180 elephants are found dead. So headline is like that: Botswana is investing a complete unprecedented death of 100 of elephants this May. So Botswana is also in news. So Botswana is a landlocked country. Look at that. We'll also we will discuss on a satellite map. Okay, this is Botswana. Botswana is a landlocked country in southern Africa, has a landscape defined by Kalahari Desert and Okwango Delta. This is too important. Okay, Okwango Delta. Don't learn this thing, just memorize. Okay, just look into words. Kalahari Desert and Okwango Delta, which become a lush animal habitat during the seasonal flood. So first we discuss Kalahari Desert. Kalahari Desert is a large semi-arid, sandy savanna in southern Africa extending for 9,000, no, so 9 lakh square kilometer and covering much of country. These countries are covered by the Namibia, Botswana and South Africa. Okay, so let's look one more time on the map, a satellite map. Okay, this is Botswana in the south direction of South Africa. Okay, so this is Okwango Delta, is a vast island river delta in northern Botswana, and also known for sprawling grass plains which flood seasonally and becoming lush of animal habitat. So many kind of varieties are found. This is okay, Okwango Delta. And Chobe National Park, known for the best to best elephant. So Chobe National Park is in northern Botswana near the vast and inland Okwango Delta. It is known for its large herd of elephant and Cape buffalo which converge along the Chobe riverfront in the dry month. So Chobe National Park is present in Botswana, okay, in the Okwango Delta. Lion, antelope, and hippo inhabited the wooded lagoons around the Lion Marsh. So these are the uh, question which are based on the today's discussion. Please attempt and attempt. These are the two questions I drawn from the today's discussion. Please guys read carefully and answer in the comment section. Okay. So guys, please join us at Telegram, our Telegram channel, Accomplish IS, and thank you so much. Soon we will discuss in another session. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks so much.